Hi, I'm Dr. Priya Arvind. I'm from Australia. I practice in Melbourne. I'm a pain specialist there.
My name is Dr. Deepika Subedi. I came from Kathmandu, Nepal.
I found the course at the Cadaveric Workshop that we did at Daradia really helpful. It's mostly because I've attended all workshops there in Australia as well, but then the attention to detail here is very good, and they start from the basics, and I learned a lot of important needling techniques which although practicing pain from a few years now, I myself was struggling with a few things which is a bit more clearer now. I really thank the entire team for this, and especially the whole team in Daradia, who are all our teachers. They're very extremely enthusiastic and want us to learn, and that shows in the zeal and the enthusiasm that they teach us with. So I'm extremely thankful for that as well. I would highly recommend this course for anyone. Even I think the only regret that I was thinking is probably I should have done this much earlier. So I'm really happy and thankful that at least better late than never I did it. Thank you.
Here I joined this cadaveric workshop as a mandatory part of my one-year fellowship. But I had an wonderful experience that this workshop is very much useful in my practice. So this is very good experience for me.